Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include keyless ignition, satellite radio, heated mirrors, steering wheel controls, MP3. Come test drive the 2023 Rio. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, FWD, remote trunk release, tires front all season, tires rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.